Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set and dies called Delicate Framing. They are online exclusives. So I have a piece of balmy blue here that is 4 1/4 by 11, and we are scoring that in at 5 1/2. So I'm going to make 2 cards today because I need to make 2 thank you cards. But I will have the PDF for you all. You just need to click the link in the description box below, or if you're on my blog already, you're going to see a big pink button that says download the PDF here. So it has all the measurements, but in case you don't want to go that route, here I have some sticky notes. So this is a piece of basic white thick cardstock. It is 4 inches wide, 9 3/8 long, and we have scored it at 2 1/4 and 4 1/4. And I'm going to adhere that right on the balmy blue base. I want a shout out to one of my team members, Jan, who sent me a Christmas card that was similar. Well, all the measurements and everything are similar. However, I have mixed it up with a online exclusive stamp set that you can get today, right now, and also some designer series paper that you're going to see in a minute called Splash of Sparkles. So I wonder if the marketing team had just said, you know, how do we get Sue, or Suzanne, as you know me, to buy all of the designer series paper? Well, I think we should call it Sparkle something, and she'll buy it in hordes. And that is what I did. Well, I was only allowed to buy one of these. Well, I could honestly buy 2 if I wanted to. This is a pre-order item, and this is coming out. This is the new catalog. If you have shopped with me, you would have gotten this catalog in the past 6 months. If not, you can always request it. I do have a place on my blog for you to request a catalog if you're Canadian, and I would be happy to send one out to you. And this is one of the papers. Like, literally, I love this. I love it. I love it. I need not green and red right now. I'm doing so much. I'm doing so much Christmas, or I get lots of Christmas cards right now, right? All my clients are bringing in my Christmas cards. I love it. But for me creating, I'm kind of done with Christmas, gotta say. And I am very thankful to move on into something that's springy. It might not be Eastery, but it's springy. So as you can see, we are decorating with the pattern paper. So the pattern paper is something special on this card, and that's kind of what I was hoping for. I'm really sort of digging the color and the, you know, silver sparkle in there, or whatever. It's something special anyway. So this is balmy blue again. So this matches the card base, and I am going to adhere just the bottom portion. So I'm just going to put my Seal Plus on the bottom. I'm going to fasten it right in the center of the card. And then we are going to zhuzh up the little white piece that goes in there. So as I said, Delicate Framing has a die set, and it is something really special. Now, I've chosen to use some smaller dies to go with this card because sometimes, like a lot of these, the Delicate Framing dies, they required a bigger card, and I wanted to make this fun fold. So I started off using the dies that are sort of, I don't know, they're embellishments. They're like, I don't know what you'd call them. They're decorative. And so I die cut 2 pieces of balmy blue. They both had glue, or like adhesive sheet on the back, and I'm layering them up. That's one thing I love about the adhesive sheet, is that it's thin enough that you can adhere things like this together to make it substantial, thick, and stand out on your card, and with not a lot of mess. Like, literally, my fingers aren't getting ooky. I'm digging it. So I did 2 balmy blue. And then my last piece, and I don't know if you've ever seen this before, probably, because I wanted it not to look like white underneath. I guess I just wanted balmy blue underneath. I went in with that new paper called Splash of Sparkles. Sparkles, yay! I didn't even put any Wink of Stella on this card. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I put I did put the adhesive sheet on the back side of just a little bit of this pattern paper. And now I'm going to adhere the embellishment, the whatever you want to call it, the scroll, the frame, the whatever on this card. And doesn't it fit perfectly? Doesn't it? Tell me it fits perfectly. And I didn't even plan that. I was just hoping. Sometimes I don't research my cards very well. I just have an idea in my head and it went perfect. So, and I'm really pleased that it did. So, like I said, I'm going to make 2 cards, but I'm going to stamp this one first. And then now that you saw me how I did the first one, I'm just going to sort of breeze through some of the other parts so that it's not too boring with this card design. So that is Night of Navy, and the sentiment that I chose is so very thankful. I have several, more than a handful of very generous clients that always give me a little Christmas bonus. And I love that because I'm self-employed, and it is, sometimes I don't get the Christmas bonuses that some people do. And, I am so very thankful. So, a couple of these cards are going out to my clients that have treated me really well, and I'm just so very thankful. So that's why I'm doing 2 as well, and then maybe I'll do something else next week. And I will be filming next week, and I will be uploading next week. There are a lot of people like me who don't have much socializing to do during Christmas. And I don't have a family. I just have my mom, and she usually goes to my sisters. And so I cook my own my own dinner, and I'm happy to do. I'm not bothered. Do not feel sorry for me. I am all good. But there are a lot of folks that are at home and that don't have much to do. And sometimes I find that YouTube is lacking. So I will be continuing to film and produce all throughout next week and into the new year. So I used some of these flower dies. You can see them up in the top left corner. So I used Pretty in Pink, and then Berry Burst cardstock, and then I sandwiched those 2 with a glue dot, as you saw, and now I'm adhering them with a mini Stampin' Dimensional. So, and I've put 3 as a triangle around my sentiment, which is usually the thing. And then I put the balmy blue leaves. You do not have to have green leaves, and green would have ruined my vibe here on this card. So I chose to go with balmy blue. I loved it. If anybody disagrees with me, I just don't say anything. Just say, pretty card. I love it. No, you can disagree with me if you want. I don't care. I just felt that if I put green in here, that's adding a 3rd color, and I kind of didn't want to do that. So I chose the balmy blue, and I do feel sometimes that if you look, maybe squint at some leaves that have flowers, that maybe they are a little bluish, really. They're maybe blue-green, whatevs. It's my card, and I'm going to do what I want. So this is the inside of the card. You never see me design that, or usually. So I had a little bit of this, what's it called? Splash of Sparkles paper, and that did have adhesive sheet on it. And so I thought I would use it on the inside of the card. And for whatever reason, these small ones, they are Berry Burst. These small little flowers came a little, they come in 4, not 3, and everything else is 3. It doesn't make sense to me. You tell me why they did that. I don't know. So you always have one random flower hanging out. Anyway, so these are called the Hues of Flowers. Hues of Blue Flowers. I think they're still viable and you can buy them, but you never know. Sometimes Stampin' Up gets rid of stuff, and anyway, I have no idea. I think it is. So anyway, this is my card. Hope you like it. And of course, I'll put the supplies linked below, except for the paper, because it's not available until January. And then, yeah, I would love for you to leave a lovely comment in the boxes below of my YouTube video or on my blog. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. So, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye for now.